Hi, my name is Christina Gainey. I'm a third-year GI fellow at University of North Carolina in Chapel Hill, and I'll be starting my advanced endoscopy fellowship here in July. So today, I have the honor of discussing our article published in GIE called Use of a Screw Dilator for Pancreaticobiliary Disease. This is the first reported U.S. experience with this device that we know of. So I'll start off by giving a little bit of background on the topic. What exactly is the issue we're trying to solve? So one of the most frustrating moments in therapeutic EOS or ERCP is when you've accessed a duct with your guide wire but can't advance anything across it. So in dense, fibrotic, or calcified tissue, standard tapered cannulas and balloon dilators often fail to penetrate, causing the devices to loop or buckle with inability to transmit force forward. So what's an alternative? The Tornus EOS screw dilator, which you can see here, which is made by Asahi, was originally developed for crossing severely calcified coronary lesions. It features this unique design that allows you to screw into resistant lesions rather than pushing, which is a major mechanical advantage. So the Japanese have reported its use in EOS-guided biliary and pancreatic drainage with 100% technical success, but we have not found any published US experiences to date. So we performed a retrospective study of 20 patients that underwent therapeutic EOS or ERCP with use of the Tornus ES screw dilator. This was after failing to pass a 4 mm balloon dilating catheter. And the indications for procedures range from biliary strictures to pancreatic duct obstructions, as well as bile leaks. Procedures included ERCP of the biliary and pancreatic duct and EOS-guided hepaticogastrostomy, colodocoduodenostomy, cystogastrostomy, and pancreaticogastrostomy. Our technical success rate, which was defined as successful stent placement across the dilated tract or duct, was 95%, which aligned very well with the Japanese data. Our adverse event rate was 40%, which was much higher than prior reports, but this was likely secondary to the complexity of the underlying procedures. 3 of the 8 adverse events occurred during EOS-guided pancreaticogastrostomy, which is a very technically challenging procedure. And so one of the important learning points is that it's essential to really confirm intraductal wire position before advancing the dilator, since the dilator can easily screw through tissue. And looking ahead, we need prospective multicentric comparative studies. From a design standpoint, the device is currently 7 French and only accommodates a 0.025-inch guide wire, which really limits its use in small pancreatic ducts. Variable diameters, broader guide wire compatibility, and a shorter screw segment would all be valuable modifications. So in summary, the Tornus ES screw dilator is an effective salvage tool when conventional dilation fails during therapeutic EOS and ERCP. We believe that US endoscopists should be aware of it as an option in the procedural toolkit, and we hope that this study encourages further investigation. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you to the GIE for the opportunity to share this work.